Alright, I got a couple of new Zippos this week. Let's take a fast look at what I got. Turn some lights on. Okay, the first one, as always, these are genuine, made in the USA, Bradford, PA. And this one is called Zipped. And it is the high polish black ice zipper Zippo. You can see it right there. Really high polished. It'll keep fingerprints for probably up to a month. So it was made in, looks like J of 12. I think that's October of 12, somewhere around there. J of 12. It's a really nice Zippo. It's going to go in my dark side collection. Got a pretty good sound. Fires up real nice. This is a good one. It's called the Zippo Zipped or Zipper Zippo. And the next one I got, pretty nice one also. And as usual, it's made in the USA, genuine, made in the USA, and it's called Iced World. And this is going to go in my green collection. It's got it's an etched map of the world. On one side it's got the you can see it's USA, Canada, South America, North America, Iceland. And on the other side it's mostly Asia, mostly China right there. But this is a really nice green Zippo, and it was made, it's on a, I think it's, no, it's a stainless body or steel body. And that was made in F of 12. This is a really nice one. It's got a good sound. Fires up nice. So yeah, that's my new Zippos. It's the Iced World and the Zipper Zippo. New bobblehead Joker is about to get his head blown off. Knuckle bomb.